Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Dodge Avenger. First, gather your essential equipment, a set of good quality jumper cables, safety gloves, and eye protection. Always prioritize safety. Next, ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Position the working vehicle, often called the donor car, close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries, but do not let the vehicles touch. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Identify the positive terminal on your dead Dodge Avenger's battery. It's usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Attach one red clamp firmly to this positive terminal. Then, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Make sure both connections are secure and not touching any other metal parts. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Take one black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. For the other black clamp, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or frame of the dead Dodge Avenger, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery slightly. After this brief charging period, try to start your Dodge Avenger. Once it starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes. To disconnect, remove the black clamp from the dead car's ground, then the black clamp from the donor battery. Finally, remove the red clamp from the donor battery, and then the red clamp from the now running Avenger.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.